Hey everybody, it's Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Another beautiful whaler to show you today on brokerage. This is a like new 2024 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. It's powered by a Mercury 200, just under 40 hours on it. It's got the fiberglass hardtop, bow cushion, seating packages, light blue hull color with the stainless rub rail, and everything white color matched up top, including the Mercury. Absolutely beautiful boat. It has the teak package, so it gives you the teak on top of the swim platform, as well as the entry points midship. Nice feature right there. Quick look at the dash here. You've got Simrad electronics. You've got your Mercury gauges right here that you can cycle through. As you can see right here, 38 hours. You can cycle through to get different information on each of them. You see all of your switches on the dash, JL audio system, Lenco trim tabs with LED indicators, the new Mercury binnacle, which gives you the active trim on the side, as well as the push to start. Really nice, comfortable grip on that. The Whaler Montauk steering wheel. Absolutely beautiful boat here. Got some more teak down here at the helm. Very comfortable, oversized bolsters on this leaning post right here. Very comfortable for two people. You've got your rocket launcher at the back of the leaning post, as well as the top of the back of the hard top. Back here we've got your live well, currently used as storage. It's a good size live well. Spots for your knives and pliers should you need them. Now looking back here, you can see it's a nice non-skid platform across the transom. But if you're cruising and you want to be seated right here, you've got flip-up seats on both sides. Something Whaler does very well. You've got cup holders, fuel fill right here, raw water hookup for a hose. You've got rod holders along the transom, cup holders here as well. Two more here. Moving up to the front, up on the bow, you see we've got more backrest right here for the bow seating. Low profile bow rails. We got the trolling motor panel, so if you wanted to put a trolling motor on here, it'd be nice and easy to do so. You've got more cup holders built into the bow cushion. Underneath this first section is a fish box or insulated storage, and then under this pie shape is the anchor locker, and they're snap down. You can remove them. If you're not going to be sitting up here, you can keep them in the garage or throw them in the console. And then that's all non-skid as well for casting or handling lines or fighting a fish. Another popular spot to sit is right here on top of the igloo cooler. 100 quart with the cushion on top, as well as your nice backrest. Looking in the console, acting as storage right now, but you've got a head. It's a nice feature. You can see that's a 5-gallon bucket, so it shows you the depth in there. You've got the second anchor stored in there as well when you're backing up to the beach. Absolutely beautiful boat. Like I said, virtually brand new. It's a 2024 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. light blue hull sides, chrome graphics, just a sharp looking boat. Guys, if you have any questions for me about this boat, feel free to reach me on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this gorgeous Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.